Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna try a bunch of new makeup with you guys. कुछ products मैंने बिल्कुल भी try नहीं किए हुए हैं and कुछ I've been trying and absolutely loving, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Okay, let's get started. I have two new moisturizers that I want to talk about. The first one is by M Caffeine. It's their Kombucha Hydra Repair Moisturizer. This has ceramides and hyaluronic acid in it. I'm gonna apply this one on one side of my face. The texture and consistency of this moisturizer is very lightweight. I think it's a mix between gel and cream because ये बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है, बहुत ही अच्छे से absorb कर रहा है. Also, my skin just feels and looks so beautiful. It just feels hydrated, and even to the touch, it just feels so good. I really like it. Over here, it's mentioned it hydrates, which it definitely does. Repairs and strengthens skin barrier because it does have ceramides in it, which is great for your skin barrier. It's great for all skin types as well. And it is also antioxidant rich. So I really like this moisturizer. And the next moisturizer I want to talk about is by Dotonkey. It's their ceramides and hyaluronic skin barrier repair plus face cream. It has probiotics and rice water in it. मैं ये काफी दिनों से यूज कर रही हूँ मेरे स्किन पे and ये ड्राई स्किन पे बहुत ही अच्छे से वर्क करता है, especially in the winter season. It is mentioned that it is for normal to dry skin and sensitive skin. I have dry skin and a little sensitive as well, and this works great. This has pH of 5.5. इसमें भी बहुत ही अच्छे ingredients है. It has ceramides which helps repair the skin barrier, hyaluronic acid which again works great for the hydration that your dry skin needs. If you're someone like me who does use a lot of active ingredients in the skincare routine, then include a moisturizer that has ceramides in it जो आपके barrier को रिपेयर करने में वर्क करता है, and this works wonders. This is also fragrance free, by the way. The next product I want to talk about is again by Dotonkey. It's the Strawberry Dew in the Spotlight Strobe Cream. This has pro vitamin B5 and niacinamide in it. ये may be first time he use कर रही हूँ. I wanted to see if this gives a competition to the Max Strobe Cream or the Lakme Lumi Cream. I feel this is very much similar to the Lakme Lumi Cream. It does give a beautiful glow to my face. It does not look like that chunky glitter particles. It's very minute. It almost looks like a glow from within, which I really like, and this is how it's looking. मेरे हिसाब से it does give a competition to the Max Strobe Cream and the Lakme Lumi Cream, but I would still prefer the Lakme Lumi Cream because उसमें मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इससे भी ज़्यादा glow और इससे भी ज़्यादा वो sheen मिलता है मेरे फेस पे. So yeah, that's my verdict on this. But this is great for an everyday wear when you don't want to wear makeup and you just want a nice glow to your skin. This is gonna be the product. The next product I want to talk about is a concealer by Color Chemistry, and it has a creamy matte finish in the shade Meadow C004. It comes in this pencil format जो आपको sharpen करना पड़ता है. Definitely an advantage and disadvantage. बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट होता है जब आप शार्पन करते हो, बट इट इज ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली, स्पिल नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. जस्ट secure this and you're good to go. Application wise, this concealer is so freaking easy to use. You can target it wherever you want, near your under eyes, or you have some blemishes that you want to cover. Just poop and you're good to go. It blends like a dream. It's very creamy to the touch. I don't have to worry about it being patchy or getting caught in the fine lines. बहुत ही अच्छे से ये blend होता है. And I feel like coverage wise, it covers as well as highlights my under eyes. So I don't have to use two different products. This one thing is good to go. And जब से मैंने ये purchase किया है, this has been my go-to whether I'm shooting a video, whether I'm traveling, or just a little bit of makeup, a little bit of concealer, and I'm good to go kind of a makeup. It's great for everything. This is one of my favorite products. And it does have a creamy matte finish. जब आप apply करते हो बहुत ही ज़्यादा creamy है, and just give it few seconds, it will set matte, so I don't feel like going in over with a powder as well because I have dry skin and this sets matte. This does the job for me. The next product I want to talk about is a blush. This is by Makeup Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Flushing for You. This is a recent purchase और ये मैंने ज़्यादा टाइम यूज भी नहीं किया. Still इसका सारा प्रिंट जो है सब निकल चुका है. I don't know how. मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन का एक लिक्विड हाइलाइटर है मेरे पास जो मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद है. So I wanted to try out their blushes as well. As the name suggests, it does give a beautiful flush of color, but the pigmentation is literally minus. मैंने अच्छे क्वांटिटी में लगाया है ये ब्लश एंड स्टिल इट इज नॉट शोइंग अप ऑन कैमरा and it does not show up in real life as well. It looks like I've not applied any blush. So yeah, I am not a big fan of this product. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद थी but this definitely failed for me. Yeah, what do you guys think? इसका texture बहुत ही अच्छा है. It's very creamy, blends like a dream. But अगर pigmentation ही नहीं है then it makes no sense. You know what I mean? So this is definitely a fail for me. अगर मैं ये लगाऊंगी तो इसके ऊपर मुझे एक पाउडर ब्लश भी लगाना पड़ेगा because this is not gonna last at all. The next product I want to talk about is this one by Charmy. Now this is definitely a new brand. मैंने ज़्यादा products इसके try नहीं किए. 2-3 मैंने order किए थे which I'm gonna talk about. So this one is really unique and nice because one side has the eyebrow filling thing and the other side has a liquid liner. Like how freaking cool, you do not have to carry like 2 different products और एक ही में आपका like eyebrows and like the eye makeup. If you're going for a simple look, just one product you need to carry. So great, travel friendly and you know 2-in-1 kind of a product which I really like. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of the eyebrow filler side of this. जैसे आप application में भी देख रहे होगे, it's very creamy and patchy. You have to be very very light handed and still you will see those brown patches all over that you need to really blend it out. I feel like जब आप blend भी करने जाते हो, it leaves all the brown color all over your eyebrows, so it's definitely a big mess. I feel there are better options out there available for an eyebrow filler, but this is definitely not it for me. जो इसका liquid eyeliner side है, this is definitely a little bit better. ये मैं use कर चुकी हूँ. I'm not gonna apply it today because I have few other options that I want to try out. But इससे आप बहुत ही अच्छे से like light eyeliner लगा सकते हो, dark eyeliner लगा सकते हो. Also, the color is a beautiful matte black. It does have a little sheen to it. It's not completely black, but it's a good eyeliner, I would say. The next product I want to talk about is an eyeshadow stick by Etude. It's their Bling Bling Eye Stick in the shade 18 Moonstar. मुझे ऐसे एक आई शेडो स्टिक चाहिए था जो क्विक हो, easy to use हो, especially on days when you do not have time to get ready but you still want to look cute, you know what I mean? And this is that for me. This was my go-to in 2023 के सारे festive season में. I've used this eyeshadow stick. It looks perfect for any traditional wear. It is available in a lot of different shades, but this specific shade Moonstar looks great on any traditional wear because it has this champagne gold का mix and it looks beautiful. इसे use करना इतना easy है. You just have to roll it on your eyelids, blend it a little. Now you can pair it up with a nice black eyeliner and you're good to go. This is definitely one of my favorite makeup products that I've tried so far. The next product I want to talk about is again an eyeshadow. This is by Charmy Milano. It's the Star Bomb eyeshadow and this is in the shade 003. ये काफी viral हो गया था reels पे. So I definitely wanted to try it out because it does have that beautiful dual chrome shift. I don't know if you are able to catch that color shift from pink to green on camera, but in person वो definitely दिख रहा है. It is a little bit patchy and it is a little difficult to blend as well. इतना ज़्यादा smooth application नहीं है. I would love to try a dual chrome eyeshadow because I feel it's so beautiful and you just have to apply one eyeshadow and you're good to go. You know what I mean? So अगर आपके recommendation में कोई है, so definitely let me know in the comments down below. I try to fix the fallout mess as much as possible and this is what you're working with. Let's move on to the next product which is an eyeliner. It's by Colorbar. Wink with Love 14 Hour Stay Eyeliner. सच बताओ black eyeliner लगा के ना मैं थक चुकी हूँ. So I wanted to have some fun pop of color. So that's the reason I got this. And उस पे navy lights लिखा हुआ है. I thought it would be a nice dark navy blue color. But it almost looks like an aqua color. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But it's a beautiful color nonetheless. And this color looks so good. Especially if you have brown eyes like me. Your brown eyes are gonna pop with this color. So I absolutely love this. मैंने बहुत बार use कर चुकी हूँ. And application and everything about this is amazing. I really love this. I'm so good at applying eyeliners. I think I should get out of my comfort zone and try different colors. It looks so good and fun and pop, you know. The next product I want to talk about is again by Charmy Milano. It's a mascara, but it's a little different because one side has this fiber thing मैंने ये कभी यूज नहीं किया है ऐसा वाला कुछ. And the other side is a mascara. So let's try it out. The fiber thing is supposed to give a lot of volume. It adds kind of like lashes. So far मैंने curl करके फिर ये fiber thing लगाया है. The fiber thing is a little bit heavy, so it's kind of dragging my lashes down. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to work. Honestly speaking, मुझे ये ऐसे वाले brushes पसंद नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा clump up करते हैं and बहुत ज़्यादा product भी लेते हैं. So I'm gonna try to remove as much as possible and just get a light coat of it. I hate that spidery, sticky kind of mascara. That's not my jam at all. So I'm trying to remove as much as possible. I don't know if it's looking that good. I mean, I have a lot of mascaras. I've tried a bunch of them and I have my favorites. Does this surpass that? Maybe not. I do see a bunch of length, but I don't see a bunch of volume. I don't know if I'm not able to see it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But yeah, this is how it's looking. The next product I want to talk about is a blue kajal. This is by Faces Canada. I have a similar one in brown shade, which I use all the freaking time. I love it. So I wanted to pick one up in blue color as well because clearly blue has become one of my favorite colors. मेरे पास blue liner तो है, but it sets, you can't really work with it, you can't really smudge it out, and that's exactly why I've picked this one up. It's a beautiful kajal and it works great when you want to do like a smoky eye or you want to smudge it out or you just want a pop of color. This is absolutely beautiful and you want something that you can work with, you know, if you want to smudge it out a little. इसका ही मैंने brown kajal use किया हुआ है, बहुत ही अच्छे से blend होता है, and this one does as well. So I absolutely love this. I forgot to tell you the shade. This is Blue Motivation 01. Okay, last and final products I want to talk about is lipstick. This is by Tint Cosmetics. Oh my god, I love these. I've got two shades. One is Toffee and the other one is Plum. Really like both of them, but Toffee is definitely one of my favorite. It's such a beautiful color. Honestly, मैं use करके almost खत्म होने वाला है, and I'm definitely gonna purchase another one. And I had to show it to you guys because it's a beautiful formula. If you love something that just almost looks like a stain on your lips, my lips, but better, and it does set matte by the way, but it's just very comfortable on the lips and I love it. I think this color just complements my skin beautifully and just निखर के आता है मेरा skin निखर के. And ये इतना beautiful and versatile shade है. This looks good even when I'm not wearing any makeup. With makeup, with anything, honestly, this looks beautiful. I love this shade. And I love that it doesn't settle in the fine lines. It's very velvety matte. And yeah, this is how it looks like. And this is Plum shade. इसका मैं आपको swap करके दिखाती हूँ यहाँ पर. Again, a very beautiful shade, and I think this is definitely like a day shade for me, and this would be a day and night shade. This is definitely very pretty, universal. I think this will look good on all the shades. For some reason, even though I'm fair, वो कलर्स मेरे पे सूट नहीं होते हैं और मुझे डस्की वीटिश कलर वाले ना ज्यादा सूट होते हैं, थोड़े darker colors, so that's the reason Toffee is one of my favorite. This is definitely a little bit lighter, but it's a very pretty shade as well. And that's it for today's video, you guys. That's all the product I want to talk about in today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which product was your favorite and what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैं description में दे दूंगी. Do not forget to check them out.
Also, Amazon Great Republic sale is gonna be live from 13 to 18 Jan. So shop now to get 50 to 80% off on top fashion and beauty brands.
With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list, on that list.